Hey guys, so a comment that I get a lot with Bermuda is how many weeds that it always gets, and that it's always worse than the St Augustine and Zoysia that we have around. And a lot of times this is true. And the reason for this is it kind of goes from starts at the leaf all the way down through the canopy of the plant. And if you look at Bermuda, we have a really thin leaf blade compared to Zoysia and St. Augustine. So what's happening is that sunlight is penetrating through the Bermuda easier. And when that sunlight makes it all the way down to the soil surface, that'll cause a lot of your weed seeds to germinate. They do need sunlight for the most part, depending on the variety, but the majority of them do need sunlight. And when that sun is hitting down on that soil, it causes them to germinate, and they can, once they do germinate, they come right through that canopy. So when you're looking at Bermuda, when we're at our normal height of half an inch, 2.5 inches, even if you get it tall or whatever, that leaf blade's real small. The sunlight penetrates through there, and we don't have a lot of stolen rhizomes typically. They're very significant to stop the sunlight as well, so it gets right down into that soil. And if there are a number of things that we can do to help minimize this, and a big one is being on a really good weed control program. So your pre-emerge, your spot checks throughout the year to keep those weeds under control. That's one really good way. And the other way is just your soil health. And when we increase your soil health, a lot of it, we're increasing your plant health. And a lot of times when I say your soil health, it is your microbiology of that soil. And there are a lot of things that go into that. So aerifying and top dressing with a quality compost will really help boost that microbiology in there, which in turn basically is fertilizing your Bermuda organically. Your Bermuda takes this in and it will be healthier overall, which provides a thicker canopy, which will help reduce the weed population. But it is one of those plants that it's going to get weeds a little bit easier than some of our other turf varieties. There's not a whole lot you can do about that. It's just a thinner canopy, thinner blade, and allows that sunlight to penetrate. But there are plenty of things we can do about keeping it healthy to help crowd or be a little bit more dense, and to help kind of choke out any weeds that are trying to come up. But also just being on a good weed control program, and also a fertilization program to help as well. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and we'll get them answered for you. Thanks a lot.